Hello there! Christmas is no far away now, and if you're still wondering what am I going to get my loved one for Christmas this year, I've got a great idea for you. The DJI Mini 2 drone would make a fantastic present, and if you hold on a wee bit, I'll tell you why. DJI's Mini 2 drone is a marvellous wee thing, and here's 4 reasons why it could be a perfect Christmas gift for your loved one this year. First of all, the DJI Mini 2 drone is cheaper than a PlayStation 5 or an Xbox Series X. Now, if you're thinking of spending £600 or £700 on a games console for your loved one, with another £50 to £60 to £70 per game, then the DJI is retailing just now on DJI's official site at £419, and you can probably pick it up a wee bit cheaper online somewhere else. It's so easy to fly. You hardly need any practice or any training to fly this. This drone almost flies itself. The first things you want to be doing really are learning how to just go left, go right, go up, go down. The Mini 2 takes fantastic footage that can be used for a whole number of different reasons. You can take footage of local areas from above and share it on social media groups. You can share your footage with family and friends that live far away and might never get a chance to visit the area that you live in. You can upload the footage to a YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel, this could be the spark that starts you on your YouTube channel journey. It was for me a year ago. Just getting to discover so many places that are right in your local area that you never knew existed. Having a drone will encourage your loved one to get out and about, do some walking and get fit. It's the healthier option. And it will get that loved one out of your hair for hours on end. Or, if you really want to spend time with that loved one, you can get out and about with them. The DJI Mini 2 could be the best Christmas present you've ever bought your loved one, or yourself. If you want to be a bit more extravagant and buy something even more exciting, this video up here will give you a great idea. Meanwhile, give us a thumbs up and I'm out of here.